Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can connect your custom domain to Lovable AI. So this will help you to host your AI projects on a professional domain for branding and access. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course log into your lovable.ai, and then under your profile avatar here you will see settings. So what you will have to do is you will just have to click it, and after clicking it you will just have to look for custom domains. And by the way, take note that you do have to make sure that you already have the full access or the full version or a plan that actually supports this feature. And then if you have full access to everything, what you will basically do is just click custom domains and then click add domain, and then you will just have to enter your domain name, and after that you will go to your domain registrar, which is either GoDaddy or Namecheap or Hostinger. So it really depends on your domain registrar. And then after that, you will just have to update the DNS, A record, or CNAME record as instructed. And then you will return to your Lovable AI and click Verify Domain to confirm the setup. And finally, you will just have to test your domain by visiting it to ensure that your AI project loads correctly. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.